Say, brother, come here. Oh, sorry, Iron Man. Say, Iron Man, come here.
Don't stomp on your keyboard.
Hey, Xavier, will you do me a favor?
I'm not Xavier, I'm Iron Man.
Oh, sorry, Iron Man. Will you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Will you come sit right up here? We'll see if your brother will do his new trick.
Hey.
Come up here on the couch.